Classes. Introduction to memory. To store the large amount of waters, we need water tanks or well to store it. The same way computer needs some storage or place to store the data and instruction. Memory is the important unit in the world of technology. It stores the various types of data like documents, audio, video and games, etc. There are three types of memory: primary memory, secondary memory, and cache memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. When user switched on the computer, the OS gets load from the hard disk to RAM. The active program is stored in the main memory called RAM. Example, when we required to use the water, we use bucket, bottles, etc. for it. The same way computer store programs from hard disk to the RAM to run. Secondary memory is used to store the large amount of data in the memory. It is also called the hard disk. The data in the hard disk is remain permanent. User can use it anytime when required. Cache memory is the small size memory. It is used to store the data which is most frequently used by the processor. The operating system transfer the frequent data in the cache memory to reduce access time. Let's understand working of memory and processor. When user request for the data, the processor first search it in the cache memory. If it is not in the cache, then it search in the RAM. If the data is also not there in RAM, processor search it from the hard disk and bring it in RAM. The OS loads that data in cache memory. The processor access the same data from the cache memory. Do you know? The first hard disk was the IBM Model 350 disk file that came with the IBM 305 RAMAC computer in 1956. It had capacity of just under 5 megabytes. Thank you.